Hello guys, today we will learn about Android view binding, which is represented for ignoring the null exceptions and errors with binding views. So let me get started. First you have to go to your Gradle script, and then you have to go build.gradle.f file. Then you have to come and type build features, build features, and then view binding and make it true. Uh, Remember guys that you have to write this code in Android block and then just sync now. Click on sync now. But what this thing will do is it will create it will generate instances of every activity or every fragment you have created or which is declared in manifest file. It will create an instance of fragment if you just extended the fragment file, fragment class. Okay, and it will create an instance of activity class if you have declared that activity in manifest file. So let me show you that how as we have enabled the view binding. So let me just show you that it is working or not. So in every activity you have created, you have to type activity main. Whatever your activity's name is, you have to type activity main, and then you can see an then a class of activity main binding, which is auto generated by view binding. So let me just show you that it is enabled. Now we have created an binding instance. So let me just show you that how we can perform events using binding. So sorry, okay, content content, and then we have to pass a ID of that particular widget or element you are using. So I'm giving it a name by submit button, and then I'm centering parent true, giving it name text submit. So as you can see that I have given a name of submit button. Now that how we can use this. So let me just show you that. First let us bind the activity with the layout file. So what we need to do is binding activity main dot in flat. You have to use this method and just type get layout in flatter. Then you have to set the root view of that particular binded class. So you have to type get binding dot get root. Now you have successfully binded with the XML file of main activity. Now as we have to perform an action, so we have to type binding dot. As you can see, our button ID is here, so we can use set on click listener, new on click listener. Using this we can perform an action on button. And if we want to create an instance of button, then how we can create an instance of that button. So now I will type in create an instance of that button. I have created an instance of that button. Now I am initializing that button. So what we will do is binding dot. It will automatically give us the ID. Now this button is initialized, and if you want to use it as submit dot set on click listener, you can use this is also. So let me just delete this. Implement on click listener. Now we have to import override and on click. So let me show you that how we can view that get ID and you can find the ID as you were finding before. Break. Then we will create a toast. Toast. View bind binding is success. Let me just run it. It's taking a bit time. Till then, let me show you about the fragment instance of binding. So we will go to the Java file, and then we will create a fragment. So we will name as view fragment. Okay. So as you can see that we have successfully created our fragment. We will just let me delete this unnecessary things. So as you can see that we have created a fragment successfully, which is extended a fragment class. Okay. So now what you have to do is type fragment view binding view. You just have to type your particular class name so you can find the instance of your view binding. So now you can find your binding, and now you can use this as binding well fragment, and it will give you an inflat uh, layout. So now you have to do is get layout in Plata. Then what you have to do is you just need to delete all these things, and you have to type binding dot get root, which is currently the root layout is frame layout. So you can change it deleting layout. Now if you will see that which is its root layout, so as you can see that its root layout is this. Okay, so our app is run now. So let me just show you. As you can see that view binding is success, as we set at the view binding is success toast message on this. So that's it for this tutorial, guys. Thank you for watching. If you like the video, please do like, share and comment your queries. Thank you.